Hello all. So today we're gonna see the restoration updates of the bikes we've been working for the past 2-3 weeks. So I think you've been seeing the videos of Maxr100, Rajdoot175 and Kawasaki Bajaj 100 and also the Vespa. So what's the current update on these bikes? I'm going to explain and I'm going to show the bikes at what stage they are. So first, the Kawasaki Bajaj 100, we already started the bike. We completely assembled it. The assembling work is over. We have few works pending on the Kb100, like the seat plate is yet to come. But anyway, we finished the Kb100. We did clutch work. We did almost everything on that bike. The Maxr100, we dropped it for painting, and we got all new spares. After 1 week, the painting got over. Personally, I like the color which came out. It's a nice green, and in proper sunlight it looks nice and glittery. I like the finish of the color. So yeah, chassis, we started assembling it. We fitted new fork inner tubes, new tires, new tubes, new spoke, new rims. The handlebar is kind of different in this bike. The customer wanted it to be kind of modified handlebar. We have made few changes. It's not a complete original bike on the front, just some cosmetic changes. Like, other than that, the bike is all original. The engine is good. We didn't have to do any work on the engine. We changed the sprockets, change sprockets to new. Yeah, it's almost over. We just need some 1 or 2 days time to start it and take it for a test drive, the first test drive. So that's the update on Maxr100. Rajdoot175, we have stripped the bike completely. The spares have been cleaned, and all these hard dirt, everything we did pressure wash, and diesel we cleaned with diesel, and it's ready for painting. We're gonna drop it for painting. The engine work has been started. It has some engine issues and noise in the engine, and the compression is not enough. So we're gonna do the engine work on the Rajdoot175. So yeah, and also the Vespa. You've been seeing the Vespa. The Vespa is kind of like, the bike is in good running condition, but restoration process, I think it will take a month or two, because the owner needed some time to restore it. He wants to ride it as it is for some days, the old rusty feeling. So after that, we'll remove it and we'll strip it, and we'll paint and do the plating works, and we'll change everything to close to brand new. Also, I'm getting many inquiries on bike restoration and spares, and lot of inquiries. The thing is, I'm planning to post a number so that you can text me with your inquiries, and also you can comment on the comment section if you need me to make a video about any topic, any bikes. I'm planning to do more videos, especially videos about using these old vehicles on the current world, like how practical it is, what all basic things we need to keep on mind to use these bikes. So I'm planning to do that video. I'm planning to take the Ambassador, Enfield 200 and more classic bikes and cars on a long drive. I'm gonna share my experience about the drive quality on the current roads, and how it is to use it. So I'm planning to do it next. Let's see. So follow my YouTube channel for more updates. Keep supporting. See you in the next video.